Hi all, I hope the average video will be very useful for you. And today I just came up with some interesting topic like you will love it. That is problems on age. Many feel that age problems means there will be somewhat confusions in the questions, right? So here I will clear everything so you can just observe and concentrate it. Okay, there is only 3 points here. Okay, there is only 3 points, that is present, okay, and future, okay, and then past. So only 3 points. So based on these three things we can solve everything. Okay, normally if I take present as x, means future will be addition, okay, and past will be subtraction. I can easily tell you that if I say the present age of a baby is 5 years, means what will be the past? Past means I need to subtract it, right? So x minus how many years means like for the past 3 years or 3 years ago. Okay, so like this, like that they have asked, means you have to subtract it from the present age. So x minus 3, or after 3 years or 3 years from now, if they have asked like this, means you have to add x plus 3. So this is very basic thing. Think the present is here. Okay, if you need to go past, means you need to subtract. If you need to go present, means you need to add. The only two things you are doing. We can solve it very easily. Okay, let's see some problems. Okay, here are some. Ratio of ages of Tina and Rakesh. Okay, the ratio of Tina and Rakesh is 9 is to 10. Okay, 9 is to 10. 10 years ago, before 10 years, their age was 4 is to 5 respectively. So before 10 years, their age was 4 is to 5 respectively. What is the present age of Rakesh? And one more thing, I need to tell you that present, okay, present, if they have to ask like past, means they will ask 3 years back or ago or before. So they can be asked like this: 3 years before, 3 years ago, 3 years back. Okay, and if they want to ask for the future, means they will ask 3 years from now. Okay, 3 years from now, or later, or hence, or after. Okay, so later, hence, after, from now, these are all comes under the future. So this is all for future and this is all for past. Okay, so see here they have asked 10 years ago. So they have asked 10 years ago, which is past. Okay. Okay, so what they have asked is ratio of ages of Tina and Rakesh. They have given us 9 is to 10 for Tina and Rakesh. Okay, this is the present. Okay, and 10 years ago, their age was 4:5 respectively. So 10 years ago means we need to go back. So like here you can see subtraction, right? So I need to subtract it. So 10 years back minus 10, their age will be 4:5. What is the present age of Rakesh? So they have asked present age. So first we need to check the two ratios here. Okay, let's see that. 4:5 and 9:10. Okay, so here if you add plus 5 you will get 10. Here again if you add plus 5 you will get, okay. And what they have said, 10 is the value. Okay, they have said that 10 is the value. So by adding 5 here in the ratio, by adding 5 ratio extra, we will get the value of 10. This is the easiest trick. Just listen. 5 becomes 10 and 4 becomes 9. Like by adding 5 in the ratio, we will get the value of 10 because before 10 years. So I can easily say the value, if I add 5 ratios means I will get the value as 10. So this is very, very important. Just see, if I add the number 5 in the ratio means I will get the value as 10. So what will be 1? I need just one ratio. Just nothing but 2. 5 2s are 10. So 2. 5 2s are 10. Right? So by adding 5 to the number, we will get the value as 10. If I add 1 means I will get the value of 2. So this is the thing. You need to find this 1. So I can easily say the 1 ratio, the value will be 2. This is the value. So adding 5 ratios, adding 5 more ratios, we will get the value as 10V. So I can easily find for 1 ratio which is nothing but 2 value. Okay, this is the value. Okay, and they have given present ages of this Tina and Rakesh. Okay, so what they have asked means present age of Rakesh. Rakesh, which is nothing but, what is the ratio here? 10. So I can easily say 10x. From ratio, I need to convert it to number means, I just multiply by x. Okay, so if you want to convert the ratio into number means you need to multiply by x. That's it. So what's the value for Rakesh? Rakesh is nothing but 10x, right? So 10x, I just know the value for x. Like 1 ratio is 2. Then the x is nothing but 2 here. This x represents the ratio of 1. What is the value for 1 ratio, which is nothing but 2? So I can easily write it as 10 into 2, which is nothing but 20 years. Very, very simple sum and very easy to just concentrate here. They have given the ratio of ages of Tina and Rakesh is 9:10. 10 years ago, their ratio was 4:5. So I can easily write the present ratio is 9:10 and 10 years ago it was 4:5. Same Tina and Rakesh. Okay, so here you need to concentrate that the values are same, like the ratio is increased by 5 here. Same ratio is increased by 5. If these numbers are changing means we need to use the another method, but this is the easiest method, right? The numbers are same means we can easily write the number here and the value as 10. Why 10? Because 10 years ago, 10 years ago, 10 years ago means the value will be 10 here for 5 ratio. What will be the 1 ratio? For 1 ratio, the value will be 2. Because you just cancel it, you will get 2. So for 1 ratio, the value is 2. This is nothing but this 1 ratio is called the x. X value is 1 ratio, that is 2. So x equal to 2, I can easily write the Rakesh age as 20. How can I take this 10x? By converting the ratio to number, you need to multiply by x. This is very important one. If you need to convert the ratio to number means just multiply by x. Okay. Okay, let's see another sum. Samir's age is 1 by 4th. 1/4 of father's age. So they have given it is 1/4. And 1/3 of his sister age. The same Samir age is 1/3 of sister's age. Rima. Okay, Rima's age. What is the ratio of these 3 people? We just need to find this 3 people ratio, and they have given the relationship. Okay, they have given the relationship and we need to find the ratio. So the Samir age is 1 by 4th of father. Okay, the Samir age is 1 by 4th of father. Samir is again, here it is 2/3. Okay, 2/3 of sister. So 2/3 of sister. Sister is Rima. Okay. So this is the relation they have given. Okay. We need to find the ratio. So from this thing, I can easily take the ratio. So yes, which is equal to 1 by 4, right? So this 4 will come here. 4 and 1. What is the son? Son ratio is 1 and father's ratio will be 4. So what is the ratio? S is to F will be equal to 1 is to 4. So S, which is equal to 1 by 4th of father. So this 4 will come here. So 4S will be equal to 1F. The same. S will be equal to 2/3 of R. So this 2 will be here and this 3 will come this side. So 3S. Okay. So sons is 2 and R's ratio is 3. So Samir is to Rima will be equal to, the ratio will be R is 3. So 3. Son, like Samir is 2. So 2 is to 3 is the ratio. So we have found the ratio, but we need the 3 people ratio. Okay, like Samir, okay, sorry, Samir, Rima and father. We need these 3 people ratio, and we know 1 is to 4 is the Samir and father ratio, and 2 is to 3. 2 is to 3 is the Samir and Rima ratio. Okay, just substitute. You can see here Samir is related to Rima and Samir is related to father, right? So I'm just taking this Samir value here, like 1 will be given to here and this 2 will be come to here, because we are comparing only with the Samir. So I'm just giving the Samir ratio to here and here. Then multiply it. So what it 1 into 2. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 3 is 3, 4 2s are 8. So 2 is to 3 is to 8 is the ratio for Samir is to Rima is to father. Can you get it? Just write the relation here. So from this relation, I'm just taking this 4 here and 3 here. That's it. So 4s will be equal to 1f, 3s equal to 2r. So from this thing, we can easily take the ratios. Sun is 1 ratio and f is 4 ratio. So we have taken the ratios. Just give the ratio here, and this is Samir ratio, right? So comparison is with Samir only. So I'm just taking this 1 here and this 2 here. Because these two values, these two places are empty, I'm just filling these places with Samir ratio. Why it is Samir? Samir is comparing with two people. So I'm just taking the Samir ratio here, and you will easily get the value 2 is to 3 is to 8. So this is the ratio. Okay, let's see other sum. Age of father. Okay, the age of father 10 years ago. So we need to subtract. 10 years ago was thrice. Thrice means 3 times. Age of son. So father's age is 3 times the son when before 10 years. 10 years hence, we need to add 10 years here. The father's age is twice. Twice means 2 times. Twice of his son. So 10 years hence, after 10 years, the father's age is 2 times his son. Find the present ratio, both the father and the son. Okay, is the question is clear? 10 years before, the father is thrice, 3 times his son. 10 years after, the father is 2 times the son. What is the present? We don't know the present, but they have given the past and the future. Okay? Okay. So I'm just writing past, present, and future. Right? So in the present, we don't know the ratio. We don't know the ratio. And in the past, they have given father is equal to 3 times the son. In the future, they have given father is equal to 2 times the son. They have given the value like after 10 years and before 10 years. So this is what the question. In the past, before 10 years, the father age is 3 times the son. After 10 years, the father age is 2 times the son. We don't know the present ratio. We need to find this ratio. First, we need to compare these two things because we know the ratios, two ratios. Okay. So from this thing, I can easily say father ratio is 3 and son ratio is 1 here. Same, father ratio is 2 and son ratio is 1 here. So what is the ratio? Future ratio is 1:2 and past ratio is 1:3. Okay. So son is to father. So I just wrote like son is to father. Son ratio is 1 and father ratio is 3. Son ratio is 1 and father ratio is 2. So up to this is clear. So we have found the ratios, two ratios. But here you can see no same value of addition here. 3 minus 1 is 2 and here the 1 is again come. So for that purpose, I'm just taking these two ratios, okay, and the value is From here to here it is 20, because here 10, here 10, right? So from the past to this future, I need to travel 20 years. Okay, so what is the ratio? 1 is to 3 and 1 is to 2, which is nothing but son is to father. And from this past to this future, I need to travel 20 years. Okay, okay. Now I'm just going to write this as in the equation form. Okay, like if I want to write this numbers, sorry, this ratio to number means I need to add, like I need to multiply x with this number. Okay, so 1 into x is x plus 20 years. I need to travel 20 years to get the number 1. Just see, just multiply this numbers with x. You will get the numbers like 1x and 3x is the values, numbers. Okay, so ratio to number, I need to multiply it with x. Okay, and after that, we need to form the equation. So 1x plus 20 we will get the value of 1. Same, 3x plus 20. Why 20? Again it is 20 years only. 20 will be equal to, the value is 2. Yes, I just changed this ratio to a equation. This is the another method. Why I just used the another method means, you can see here the first ratio and second ratio, we can't find the same difference here. There is no same difference. So I am just going for the another method like the equation method. So 1x plus 20 will be equal to 1 and 3x plus 20 will be equal to 2. So this is the thing. Just divide it. Okay, and cross multiply it. I'm just going to do the cross multiplication. Cross. If I do so, 2x, 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 20 is 40, which is equal to 3x into 1, 3x plus 20 into 1, 20. Okay, I just multiplied it. After that, this 2x will come here and this 20 will come here, right? So 3x minus 2x is x, which is equal to 40 minus 20 is 20. So we have found the x value as 20. Like I just found the value of 20. Next, my next step is to find this ratio. I'm just taking past and present. Like past, which is 1 is to 3. That is son is to father ratio, and present. Present, I don't know this ratio. Okay. Okay. Next step is, from past to present, I need to travel 10 years. I need to add 10 years, right? Like this is the present age, means present is x, means if I go to past means it will be x minus the year, whatever the year they have given. If I need to come from past to present means this minus will become addition, right? Like now I am 5 years. So before 3 years I will be 2 years. So from 2 years I need to come to the present years, means I need to add it, right? So we need to add because we are traveling from past to present. So we are adding plus 10 here. Okay. So, and if I need to take this values that is ratio to the numbers means I need to multiply it by x, right? That is x and 3x. These are the numbers. So I just converted the ratio to numbers. Okay. Okay. So I'm just writing the equation here. Like x plus 10, which is equal to son ratio, and 3x plus 10, which is equal to father ratio, right? I just need to divide it. Okay, and we know the x value. What is the x value? X value is nothing but 20. So 20 plus x is 30 divided by 20 into 3 is 60. 60 plus 10, 70, which is equal to son by father. So we need to find the son and father ratio. So from this thing, this 0 will get cancelled, right? And after that, son is to father. Okay, so I'm just multiplying. 3f will be equal to 7s thing. I can easily say father's ratio is 7 and son ratio is 3. So 7 is to 3 is the answer. Okay, so I'm just repeating the sum. They have given the present is in the middle. They have given the past and the future. Like before 10 years the ratio is 1 is to 3. After 10 years the ratio is 1 is to 2. How we got the ratio means father is equal to thrice of son. Means father is 3 and son is 1. The same here, father which is equal to 2 times of son. So the father will be 2 and the son will be 1. So 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3 is the ratio. Okay. And after that, from past to future, I'm just finding the x value. How? I'm just using these two ratio alone here. So from past to future, I need to travel 20 years. Okay, so I'm just converting this 1 is to 3 as numbers 1x, 3x. So x plus 20 which is equal to 1 and 3x plus 20 which is equal to 2. So by cross multiplying it, we will get the value of 20. X has 20. Again, I'm just taking past and present. What is the past ratio? 1 is to 3. And present, we don't know. So from past to present, we need to travel 10 years. So I'm just changing this ratio to numbers. How can we change it? Just multiply it by x. So x and 3x. Okay. So after that, I'm just changing this whole into a equation form. This is equation form. Okay, so this is for your reference. This is for your reference. So I'm just changing to equation form. X plus 10 will be equal to son ratio and 3x plus 10 will be equal to father ratio. So we know the x value is 20. Just substitute it, you will get 3 by 7. So how we can easily find ratio in the division means in division, like in multiplication, a which is equal to b. 3 times of a and 2 times of b means I can easily write the ratio as a's value is 2 and b's value is 3. If it is in division means I can easily write this as, if it is in division means I can easily write the in the straight line. A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 2. Okay, likewise we can easily write it as in the straight form. S is 3 and F is 7, or else you can multiply it and you will find the ratio here. So 7 is to 3 is the ratio. Okay, next sum. Man present age is 2/5. Okay, man present age is 2/5. That is 2 by 5 times of his mother age. After 8 years, After 8 years means it will be addition, add. He will be 1/2 of his mother, that is 1/2 of his mother's age. How old is mother at present? At present, what will be the mother's age? Okay, so I'm just writing it. Present, they have given man is 2/5 times of mother, and in the future they had given man is 1/2 of his mother. Okay, so from that I can easily find the ratio. This 5 will come here, this 2 will come here. Okay, so mother will be equal to 5 ratio and this man will be equal to 2. Same, mother will be equal to 2 and this man will be equal to 1. Right, this 5 will come here and this 2 will come here. Okay, like 5 man will be equal to 2 mother and 2 man will be equal to 1 mother. So from this thing I can easily write the ratio. Okay, so at present the ratio is man is to mother. Okay, so man ratio is 2 is to 5. Again, future man ratio is 1 is to 2. So this is the ratio. We have found the ratio. And they are asking present mother age. So from this thing you can see here there is no common difference here. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5. So there is no common difference. So we need to convert this to equation, that is our second method. So to convert it to equation means we need to write this 2, okay, 2x, right? I'm just changing this 2 is to 5 into numbers. So if I do so, I will get 2x and 5x, right? So 2x plus how many years? 8 years, which is in addition, plus 8. So 8 will be equal to 1. Again, 5x plus 8 will be equal to 2. 5x plus 8 will be equal to 2 value. Okay, so here it is division. Just simplify it. 4x plus 8 2s are 16 will be equal to 5x plus 8. Okay, so this 4 will come here and this 8 will come here. X will be equal to 8, right? 8 plus 8 is 16. So x will be equal to 8. We have found the x value as 8. Okay, 8 is the x value and we need the mother's present age. Mother's present age means we know the ratio. What is the ratio of mother? 5. Ratio of man is 2. So we know the ratio. Mother's ratio is nothing but 5x, which is equal to 5 8s or 40 years. So the mother age at present is 40 age. 40 age. Okay, you can see here why I just took this ratio means they have asked present. If they have asked future means I need to take this ratio 1 is to 2. Okay, okay, let's see the another sum. Age of two persons differ by 16 years. Like there will be two persons, one elder one and one younger one. So the difference between these two persons is 16 years. If 6 years ago means this is past. So we need to subtract. The elder one be 3 times 3 times the younger one. Find the present age. Okay, so they have given elder minus younger will be equal to 16 years because the difference is 16 years. And they have given af like past 6 years, before 6 years. This is past. The past before 6 years minus 6. Okay, before 6 years the elder is 3 times the younger. Just substitute this value to equation and you will get 3y minus y, which is equal to 16 years. Okay, so y equal to 16 by 2 is 8 years. So the younger one age is 8 years. Okay, but this is at the past. Okay, don't forget this. It is a past. Past 6 years, it was the younger age is 8 years. Okay, then what they asked, find their present ages. Okay, so we have found the past younger one. Just substitute this value here and you will get the past E, that is elder one will be equal to 8 3s are 24 years, right? So we have found the past years. Then what is the present year? Present, which is nothing but just add 6 because before 6 years their ages are this one. So after 6 years means we need to add 6. Here the age will be 30 years, that is younger one, and here it will be 14 years, right? So these are the two ages of the elder and younger one. Okay, is it clear? I will explain it again. The age of two persons differ by 16 years. So we have written it as elder one minus younger one. That is, the difference is 16 years. If 6 years ago, that is minus 6, past 6 years, the elder one will be 3 times the younger one. So they have said elder one will be 3 times the younger one. So from this thing, we can easily find the younger one and elder one ages in the past. Okay, so this is very, very important. Past, you don't forget that. So we have found the ages in the past. If we want the present means just add plus 6 because it is before, the ages are in the before stages. So from past to present we have to travel 6 years. So just add 6 years here and you will get 14 years and 30 years as their age. Okay, okay, let's see next sum. Okay, the ratio of present ages, so this is present, of a mother and her daughter. Okay, a mother and a daughter is 7:1. So they have given the present age 4 years ago, that is past. So we need to subtract here. Okay, so 4 years ago their ratio was 19:1. Okay, what will be the mother's age 4 years from now? They are asking the future. Okay, so we need to add. So what, don't confuse in the questions. Okay, you can easily get the informations once you clearly understand that. Okay, so they have given the present age and they have given the past. Okay, so first you need to find this thing. After that, just add whatever the age they have given, just add in the present age and you will easily get the future. Okay, so first of all, what is the present? Present is nothing but, that is, daughter is to mother. Okay, what is the ratio actually? mother is to daughter. Okay, so they have given in the ratio as mother is to daughter. So what is the ratio? Present is 7 is to 1. Okay, so we need to get the past. Past 4 years ago. So past will be minus 4. 4 years ago. What is their ratio? 19 is to 1. Okay, is this clear? So present ratio, past ratio. We can easily say the difference is not same, right? So I just need to change this ratio into a number. Okay, so just change this ratio into a number. So for that I'm just using 7x and x, right? To change the ratio into number, you need to multiply x in the number. Okay, let's do that. So 7x minus 4. Why it is minus 4? Because 4 years ago. So minus 4, which is equal to 7x minus 4 equal to 19 divided by, okay, x minus 4 equal to 1. So this is the thing. Just multiply it. 7x minus 4, which is equal to 19x minus 9 fours are 36, 3, 1 4 is 4, 5 6 7. So 76, right? Okay. So just bring this 76 here and bring this 7x here. Okay. Okay. After that, 7x will come here. So 19 minus 7, which is nothing but 12x, which is equal to 72. So I can obviously say x is what? 6, right? So we have found this x as 6. Okay. So x, which is nothing but 6, right? X is nothing but 6. Okay. What is the present ratio? Which is nothing but 7 is to 1. That is mother is to daughter. Okay. And we know that if we want to convert it to numbers, 7x and x, these are the ages, mother and daughter. Okay. And now we know the x value here, but they have asked 4 years from now, right? From now, which is nothing but the future. So I need to take the mother age as 7x plus 4. Future means addition. And daughter age as x plus 4. Okay. So what is the mother age? 7x plus 4. 7 6 are 42 plus 4 46 years. Okay. Okay. So they have asked the mother age alone. So we have found the mother age. If they have asked daughter age means we can easily find that. So 6 plus 4 is nothing but daughter age is 10 years. Okay. Yes. Is that clear? So we can easily find it. You don't need to think the question is a complicated one. You don't need to think that, because if you easily understand the question, we can easily solve and we will get the answer here. Okay. Okay, let's see another problem. Okay, another sum here. The ages of Nishi and Veeni. Okay, so Nishi and Veeni are 6 is to 5. After 9 years, which is nothing but future. Okay, so future ratio is 9 is to 8. What is the difference in their age now? Okay, so they have asking the present. So what is the present ratio of Nishi and Veeni? Nishi and Veeni. So what is the present? Present is nothing but 6 is to 5. Then what is the future after 9 years, right? So addition. After 9 years, their ratio was 9 is to 8. Okay. So is the difference is same here? Can you see it? If the difference in the ratio are same, this is plus 3. This is plus 3. Yes, the difference is same. So I can easily say if I add 3 ratios, the value will be 9. Then what will be one ratio which is nothing but 3? How? Just divide it. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Right? So for one ratio the value is 3. Okay, we have found it. Just substitute in the present age because they have asked the present age. So Nisha and Veeni, which is nothing but 6x and 5x. What is x value? 3. 6 threes are 18 and 5 threes are 15. Again the difference is 3 only. So if they have asked the difference means we can directly say the x value. If they have asked the difference means we can directly write the x value, x which is equal to 3. Because if you substitute in the ages and you can again see only the 3 here. Okay. So we can directly do that or you can substitute it and you will get the same value. Okay. Okay, let's see another sum. The next question is the present ages of Amit and his fathers are in the ratio 2 is to 5. 4 years hence, that is, hence means future. So add. Their age becomes the ratio 5 is to 11 respectively. What was the father's age after 5 years ago? That is, they are asking the past, right? So first one, present age of Amit and his father. So Amit and his father, present age ratio is 2 is to 5. 4 years hence, so we need to add plus 4. 4 years hence, that is future age, which is nothing but 5 is to 11. Yes, so the difference is not same. We have to calculate it. Okay, so I'm just writing it in an equation form. How to write it? Just convert it into 2x and 5x in order to convert the ratio into numbers, right? So 2x minus, plus 4, right? 4 years hence. So plus 4, which is equal to 5, divided by 5x. 5x plus 4, which is equal to 11. Yes, so this is what the ratio. We need to convert it. 22x plus 44, which is equal to 25x plus 20. I'm just doing the cross multiplication. Okay, so after that this 22 will go here, this 20 will come here. So 3x, right? 3x, which is equal to 24. X is nothing but age, right? We have found the x. And what they have asked? What was the father's age what was the father's age 5 years ago? That is past. They had asked the past. Past means subtraction. So what is the real father's age? 5x, right? This is 5x. So 5x, that is father's age, which is equal to 5x minus 5 because it is 5 years ago. So minus 5, present minus 5. 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 5 is 35 years. So this is what the father's age. Okay. Okay, let's see another sum. This sum is similar to the previous one. Actually, they have given the ratios of father and sons. Okay, so this is present one, present ratio. Then 6 years ago, that is past. Past means we need to subtract. The ratio of their ages is 3 is to 1. That is present. Present age of father is to son is 17 is to 7. Right? 6 years ago, like 6 years before. Past. Okay, their age ratio was 3 is to 1. Yes, 6 years ago their age ratio was 3 is to 1. Okay, so from this thing we need to convert it into an equation form. How to convert it? Just convert this ratio into numbers 17x and 7x, right? After that, I'm just writing the equation. 17x minus 6 which is equal to 3. Again 7x minus 6 which is equal to 1. So we have found the equation. So just solve it. 17x minus 6 which is equal to 21x minus 18. Right? Then this 17 will go here and this 18 will come here. That is 12 which is equal to, this one is 12 and the 17 will go here. Then it will become 4x. Right? 4x. So x is nothing but 3. So we have found the x. They have asked what is the father's present age. Present age of father is 17x, right? So just multiply it into 3. 1, 4, 5. 51 years is the father's age. Yes. So this is the answer. Okay, next sum. So what they have given in this question, the ages of Shakti and Kanti are in a ratio 8 is to 7. So this is the present age. After 10 years, that is, we need to add. This is future. The ratio becomes 13 is to 12. What is the difference? Difference means we need to directly just find the x and you will get the answer. Okay, so they have given the present ratio is 8 is to 7. That is Shakti and Kanti. And after that, future, what the ratio becomes 13 is to 12. Okay, so the difference is not same, so we need to write it in the equation form. Like, I'm just converting this one into this present age into 8x and 7x as numbers. Okay, so 8x minus, like, after 10 years means we need to add plus 10. Okay, 8x plus 10 equal to 13, right? I'm just writing here. Okay, so 8x plus 10 which is equal to 13. Again 7x plus 10 which is equal to 12. So 7x plus 10 which is equal to 12. So this is the equation. Okay, then you have to do the calculations. So 12 into 8x plus 10 which is equal to 13 into 7x plus 10. Right? Then just multiply it. 96x plus 120 which is equal to 91x plus 130. Okay, so this will come here and this will come here. That is 5x which is nothing but 10. So the x will be 2. Okay, the x is 2 here. So this is the difference between their age. If you substitute it, the Shakti will become 16 and Kanti will become 14. So their difference will be again 2. Okay, just substitute this 2 in this thing, in this numbers 8x and 7x, and you will get the same values only. Okay, okay, let's see another sum here. Okay, in this sum the ages of AB is given in the ratio as 6:5, and the sum of their ages are 44. They have given the new term as sum, addition. Okay, what is the ratio of the ages after 8 years? That is, we need to add. This is future one. Okay, so what is the present ratio? That is, present ratio of A is to B is nothing but 6:5, right? After that, they have given the sum which is nothing but add. So 6x, I'm just converting this ratio into numbers. 6x plus 5x will be equal to 11x. This is nothing but 44. So x will be automatically 4. We have found the x. So from this x, we can easily get the ratio of ages after 8 years. After 8 years, yes, after 8 years, which is nothing but we need to add 8. So what is the ages of A and B? 6x plus 8. Why plus 8? Because after 8 years means we need to add 8. Divide by 5x plus 8, which is equal to 6 fours are 24 plus 8, right? So 24 plus 8 divided by 20. 20 plus 8. That is nothing but 32 by 28. If you cancel it, you will directly get the ratio 8 and 7. So I can easily directly say that A's ratio is 8 and B's ratio is 7, right? So A is to B is nothing but 8 is to 7. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay, next sum. Okay, here comes the different sum actually. Farah got married. Okay, she got married 8 years ago. So that is past. So before 8 years she got married. Today her age is 1 by 7 times 1, 2 by 7 times her age. So they have given the relationship between the past and the present. The present daughter age is 1 by 6 of her age. What was her daughter's age after 3 years? So they have given the relations here. Don't panic in the question, just listen. Farah got married before 8 years and her age is, that is, present age is 1 2 by 7 times of the past. So at the time of her marriage, her today's age is 1 2 by 7 times of the age at the marriage. The present daughter's age is 1 by 6th of her age. So they have given the daughter's age and her age relation. What was the daughter's age 3 years ago? So they have asked 3 years ago means past. This is, they have asked the past age. So first, Farah got married 8 years ago. Okay, so I'm just taking the Farah marriage age. Marriage age was X. Yes. Okay. After that, today her age, that is presently, her age is nothing but 1 2 by 7 times of X, right? This X is nothing but 1 2 by 7 times of her marriage age. So I can easily write this as 9 by 7x. Then her daughter relationship. Her daughter. So we have got the present age of Farah. Yes, her present daughter age. Okay, her present daughter age is nothing but 1 by 6th times of 9 by 7x. This is the present age of Farah. Farah's present age. Okay. So 1 by 6th of present age of Farah. So by cancelling it, you will get 3 by 14x. So this is the present daughter's age. What was her daughter's age 3 years ago? That is subtract. So they have asked 3 by 14x minus 3 is what? That is the daughter's age. Okay, is this clear? So I have found the relationship here. So first we had taken the marriage age as x for the Farah. Then we have found the present age, that is 1 2 by 7 times of marriage age. Then present daughter age, 1 by 6th of her age. Her age is what? Present age 9 by 7x. After that they have asked the past one, that is 3 years ago, what was her daughter's age. So we have found up to this. Yes. Okay. So they have given the past here. So past, that is minus 3. Okay. Okay. And 8 years ago. So this one is also minus 8. Okay. So we have found the first we have found the relations. Okay. I'm just taking this one. So 9 by 7 is the present what? Present Farah's age. This is Farah's age. So 8 years before is nothing but the marriage age. Right? This is the marriage age. Marriage age. This is Farah's present age. Okay, so I'm just taking only the Farah. This is the present age. Before 8 years, her age was x. So from this thing we can easily find the x value. Right? So I'm just replacing this one here and this one here. So 9 by 7 x minus x, which is nothing but the 8. So 2x by 7, which is nothing but 8. So x is ultimately equal to, yes, ultimately equal to 20 years, 28 years. We have found the x value. Okay, that is 28 years. 28 years is the x value. Just substitute this x value here. 3 by 14x minus 3. Right? So what is the value? 3 by 14x minus 3, which is equal to the daughter age. So we know the x is 28 years. So 3 by 14 into 28 minus 3. So 2 times, right? 6 minus 3, which is nothing but, yes, 6 minus 3, which is nothing but 3 years. So the daughter's age before 3 years is nothing but 3 years. Yes. Okay, next question. It's a different sum here. Actually, the age of a mother today, that is present, is thrice that of her daughter. Okay. After 12 years, that is, we need to add future. The age of the mother will be thrice, 3 times. This is twice, 2 times. That of her daughter. Present age of her daughter is what? So what the things they have given? There is no ratio here. Okay, because we need to find that ratio. Okay, they have given the relation. So first, let me form the relation. So present mother is to daughter. Yeah. So presently they have said mother is twice that of daughter. So if there is no number means we have to put 1. So I can easily tell the ratio mother is 2 and the daughter is 1. 2 is to 1. Fine, it's finished. Then future. Future. In future. Future. Okay. What is the mother and daughter ratio? They have said the relation. Mother is thrice as daughter. So I can easily tell mother is 3 and the daughter is 1. So 3 is to 1. This is the ratio. Yes. So how many years? Plus 12. 12 years later, after 12 years. So we have found the ratios here. So there is no common difference. So we can easily solve it by equation. So 2x plus 12 which is equal to 3. Again x plus 12 which is equal to 1. So this is what the equation. Just solve it. If I solve from this to this, right? So 2x plus 12 which is equal to 3x plus 36. Actually, I have made a mistake here. You can see here this is thrice and this is twice. Okay, so just change the numbers. Here it will become 3 and here it will become 2. Right? Because in future it becomes twice and in present it becomes thrice. Okay, then what about the numbers? Here it will become 2 and here it will become 3. So it is 3 and it is 2. So 2x into 24. Right? So this will go here and this 2x will come here. So x which is nothing but 12. So we have found the x. And what is the present age of daughter? That is nothing but x. So x is the answer. 12 years is the daughter's years. Okay, is it clear? So they have given the relation here. The age of mother today is thrice that of her daughter. After 12 years, the age will become twice. So I have written it as mother is thrice of daughter and mother is twice of daughter. What is the difference? Plus 12, that is it is future. So we need to add. Okay, after that I can easily get the ratio 3 is to 1, 2 is to 1 because mother belongs to 3 and daughter belongs to 1. Same here. So after that I'm just forming the equation and solve it. Actually the x is the daughter's age, so 12 years is the daughter's age. Okay. Okay, next Sam. Okay, in this question they have given the present age of Samuel. Okay, Samuel is 3 times the age of his son and 6 years hence, that is add future. The age will become the ratio 3 is to 2. Actually, we have no one ratio, but in this thing they have given the relation. That's the only difference. So let's do it. Present, right? Samuel is to their son, S-O, son. Okay, so they have given Samuel is 3 times the son age, right? Okay, then Samuel is 3 and the son is 1, right? So what is their ratios? Samuel is 3 and the son is 1. This is the ratio. Then future, they have given the ratio 5 is to 2, right? And you can see here what is the difference in the years. 6 years plus 6. So from present to future I need to pass 6 years. Okay, there is no common difference. So we need to convert this 3 is to 1 as 3x and x. So 3x plus 6 which is equal to 5. Again x plus 6 which is equal to 2. So division, cross multiply it. I will get 6x plus 12 which is equal to 5x plus 30. Okay, so this will go here and this will go here. That is x which is nothing but 18 years. Yes, and they have asked present Samuel age. What is the present Samuel age? 3x. 3x which is nothing but 4 54 years. Okay, so 3x, that is Samuel age, is nothing but 54 years. Very, very, very simple. Okay, the last sum, and it's a different sum actually. Average age of a man and his daughter. Okay, a man and his daughter is 34 age. So they have given the average here. If the ratio after 4 years from now, that is future, so add. They have given 14 years to 5. Okay, what is daughter's present age? So from this thing we need to find the ratio. How? Average. I have teach this average subject, like this average topic, in the previous videos, right? So what is average? Which is nothing but sum by number of. We know that. So what is sum? Average into number of, right? So what is the total? Total is nothing but they have given 34 years for two peoples, right? The man and his daughter. So what is the answer? 68 is the total years for both daughter and his um, man. Okay. So I'm just saying x plus y, which is equal to 68, that is man and daughter. Okay. Okay, fine. After that, they have given the future age, that is from this to this plus 4. After 4 years they have given the daughter, sorry, man and daughter age. Man is to daughter is 14 is to 5. Okay, how can I find this ratio? Very, very easy. If I take this, man ratio is x, man and daughter, right? Man as x means, what is the daughter? 68 minus y, right? X equal to 68 minus y. So I can easily take this as, if like this distance is 68. Okay, so if x, this distance is x, means what is the remaining distance? 68 minus x, right? So same thing I have applied here. What is y? Y is nothing but, this is man and this is daughter. Y is nothing but 68 minus x, right? You can see here x is man and 68 minus x is daughter. So I have found the ratio. No more questions, just make the equation. Plus 4, which is equal to 14, divided by 68 minus x plus 4, which is equal to 5. So we have made the equation here. Cross multiply it and you will get the answer, right? So 5x plus 20, which is equal to, just multiply it. 14 into 14 into, what is this thing? 68 plus 4 is nothing but 72, right? 68 plus 4 is 72 minus 14x. Is it clear? So 14 into this term, I just simplify it. 72 into 14 minus 14 into x, right? And this 14 will come here and this 20 will go there. So 14, 19x will be equal to 14 into 72 minus 20, right? So in this thing, I'm just taking the 4 as common. So to make it more simple, so take 4 as common and you will get 14 into 1 4 is 4, balance 3, 32, 8 4s are 32, minus 4 5s are 20. So 5 will be here. And I can easily multiply this term, the whole term, answer as 4 into 247. Okay, if you multiply it you will get 252. Okay, then minus 5 you will get 247. Okay, and 19x, so 19 into 247 is 13 times. So x is nothing but 52. So x here is 52 years, right? So 52 years. They have asked what is daughter present age. Daughter present age is nothing but 68 minus x is the daughter's present age. What is x minus 52? So you will automatically get 16 as answer for the daughter's age. Yeah, up to this, we have completed the problems on age. No more fear for the age problems. I think it will be a best to clear all the doubts. You can ask any doubts in the comment. Okay, I will come with some important and interesting topic. Okay, see you. Bye bye.